NASA's terrifying new discovery shocks all religious people. Welcome to the latest episode of Top Secret. NASA is an American organization specializing in space and planetary research, with many world-shaking projects and shocking information about outer space for us. So why have NASA's recent discoveries shocked religious people? Join Top Secret to explore the reasons in this video. NASA's new discovery, shocking Hubble images. The image is one of the Hubble telescope's most famous photos, and many are discussing a recent NASA discovery. From scientists to religious leaders worldwide, everyone is discussing new evidence related to how the universe is structured and its origins. This has made us reconsider many long-held beliefs about how the universe was created and its meaning for humanity. So what does this mean? How will we understand the universe better and how to balance science and faith? Join us in exploring NASA's latest terrifying discovery that has startled many people. The journey and discoveries of the Hubble telescope. The Hubble telescope has become an essential tool for astronomers since its launch on April 24, 1990. Although shortly after operation, NASA discovered a serious flaw in the primary mirror that made images blurry, Hubble continued capturing images of planets and galaxies, providing valuable data. A breakthrough occurred in December 1993 when NASA sent a team of space technicians to repair the mirror, significantly improving image quality. Hubble then revealed unprecedented aspects of the universe, like the famous pillars of creation in the Eagle Nebula, attracting public attention and enhancing scientific understanding of space. The Hand of God image. In space, astronomers have discovered a celestial structure shaped like a human hand called the Hand of God. This structure is a pulsar wind nebula formed from remnants of a massive star that exploded in a supernova. The image was captured by NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory, allowing observation of phenomena that optical telescopes cannot detect. The pulsar creates powerful particle energy jets interacting with surrounding fields to form the fingers are composed of high-energy particles while the palm is where they collide with gas in the nebula, glowing in X-ray light. Near the fingertips is the red cloud RCW89 glowing due to the pulsar wind. Studying this structure helps scientists better understand stellar life cycles and how pulsars interact with their environment, distributing energy. Mars' watery past and potential for life. Mars, also known as the Red Planet, has attracted scientists' attention due to evidence showing the planet once had water, suggesting potential for life. Research has shown Mars once had a warm environment, particularly in southern highland areas like the Hellas Basin and Hargreaves Crater, where complex valley networks may indicate flowing water about 3.5 to 4 billion years ago. Geological evidence shows water flowed from north to south, forming valleys up to 2 kilometers wide and 200 meters deep. Their size suggests Mars once had a thick enough atmosphere to sustain liquid water. These findings bring hope for the search for extraterrestrial life, although the current surface is uninhabitable. To investigate the possibility of life on Mars, space agencies are planning multiple missions, including ExoMars, a collaborative project between the European Space Agency and Roscosmos. This mission will use rovers and satellites to study the atmosphere and search for signs of subsurface life. Studying Mars' watery past not only helps understand this planet but also provides valuable insights into conditions necessary for life, thereby comparing with Earth to better understand the habitability of other planets. First discovery of a polar vortex on Uranus. NASA has just discovered a polar vortex on Uranus, marking the first time this atmospheric feature has been observed. Warm and dry, remaining stable at the pole without moving like Earth. Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, is famous for its large axial tilt, leading to dramatic seasonal. The Very Large Array Observatory in New Mexico detected observations from 2015 to 2022 showing the planet's north pole is warmer and drier than expected, proving the presence of a large storm. The notable point is the storm's stability, different from Earth's storms, making scientists question the energy source and atmospheric dynamics maintaining this storm. The timing of discovery is very favorable as Uranus is in a position allowing clear observation of its poles for the first time in decades. This new information not only expands understanding of Uranus's atmosphere but also creates opportunities to compare atmosphere, thereby developing more comprehensive models of planetary atmospheric activity, and follow-up research may focus on the internal structure of the storm and its role in Uranus's atmospheric system. Decoding the mysterious pulse of the Sun. Scientists have made a major breakthrough in understanding mysterious signals from the Sun. Called quasi-periodic, QPPs have a shape similar to a heartbeat. These signals are related to solar flares, which are powerful explosions from the Sun's surface that release energy, including radio waves and ultraviolet light, often accompanied by coronal mass ejections, CMEs. Although QPPs have puzzled researchers for a long time. A study published in Nature Communications on December 12, 2022, shed light on them, with the research team analyzing data from a C-class flare on July 13, 2017, and discovering two distinct pulsation patterns. The main pulsation occurs every 10 to 20 seconds from the bottom of the current sheet where magnetic field lines break and reconnect, while the second, lighter pulsation has intervals of 30 to 60 seconds, observed throughout the entire current sheet. This discovery challenges previous theories about the dynamics of solar flares, the mechanism of energy release, and the Sun's rhythmic signals. Recent research suggests the two pulsation patterns may originate from the formation of magnetic islands where twisted magnetic field lines reconnect and partially release energy in solar flares. Understanding these pulsations is essential for predicting and mitigating the impact of flares on Earth, such as satellite communication disruptions, effects on power grids, and risks for astronauts. The discovery also opens new research directions on the Sun's magnetic behavior, allowing scientists to better understand processes in the Sun's atmosphere, which are difficult to observe directly due to high temperatures. If similar pulsations are detected in other stars, this would provide valuable information about their flare activity and magnetic characteristics. Research on QPPs emphasizes the importance of long-term solar observation programs, helping to detect and analyze these signals. These findings will be key to understanding and predicting space weather phenomena affecting modern technology. The Pillars of Creation in the Eagle Nebula. The Pillars of Creation located in the Eagle Nebula M16 are prominent structures recorded by the Hubble telescope. Approximately 4 to 5 light-years long and located about 7,000 light-years away from us in the constellation Serpens, are not only beautiful but also nurseries for new stars, helping astronomers better understand the cycle and evolution of galaxies. Colors in Hubble's images provide important chemical information. Bright blue indicates oxygen, deep red represents sulfur, and green is a combination of nitrogen and hydrogen. The pillars are being formed and eroded by ultraviolet light from nearby young stars, a process called photoevaporation. The most recent image from Hubble in 2014 allowed scientists to study the internal structure of the pillars in detail. Although the Eagle Nebula can be observed with small telescopes in July, the pillars can only be seen with larger telescopes. This research provides important data for modeling star formation processes throughout the universe. As observational capability, structures like the Pillars of Creation will reveal many secrets about the formation and evolution of galaxies in the universe. Galaxy M87, a cosmic powerhouse. Galaxy M87 or Messier 87 is a prominent elliptical galaxy located about 54 million light-years away from us in the constellation Virgo, within the Virgo cluster containing about 2,000 galaxies. What makes M87 special is its enormous scale, with trillions of stars making it one of the largest galaxies in the universe. At the center of M87 is a supermassive black hole with a mass approximately 6.5 billion times that of the Sun, famous for the first image captured by the Event Horizon Telescope in 2019. M87 also possesses about 15,000 globular clusters, while our Milky Way has only about 150 clusters. These globular clusters provide valuable information about the galaxy's history and evolution. S center, thousands of light-years long, powered by energy from the black hole, is one of M87. The plasma jet and the formation of galaxy M87. M87, a prominent galaxy in the Virgo cluster, stands out with its blue plasma jet emitted from synchrotron radiation, formed by electrons moving near the speed of light. Its central position in the Virgo cluster may have influenced M87's evolution, with the hypothesis that this galaxy has absorbed smaller galaxies, explaining its large number of globular clusters and enormous size. Discovered by Charles Messier in 1781, M87 has an apparent magnitude of 9.6, allowing observation with small telescopes. Particularly, recent images from the Hubble telescope have provided clear views of M87's elliptical shape along with the powerful plasma jet at its center. Research on M87 is important for understanding the formation and evolution of large galaxies, the behavior of supermassive black holes, and the dynamics of galaxy clusters. As observation technology advances, M87 will continue to reveal many secrets about the universe and the extreme environments within it. Exploration of rover Curiosity and the mysteries of Gale crater on Mars. Under the leadership of Aswin Vasavada, this mission focuses on deciphering whether this area once supported microbial life. Gale crater formed about 3.5 billion years ago, possibly had a thicker atmosphere and abundant liquid water, creating favorable conditions for life. In its first year, Curiosity discovered evidence of an ancient lakebed at Yellowknife Bay, indicating a not too acidic and potentially habitable environment for microorganisms. The rover found essential elements such as carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, and phosphorus, as well as energy sources that could support life. These findings suggest that Gale crater may have been an ideal environment for life's ability to analyze chemical composition is crucial in reconstructing Mars. Data collected by Curiosity helps scientists better understand the habitability of other planets in the solar system. As Curiosity continues its journey up Mount Sharp, it gets closer to answering whether life ever existed on Mars. Discovery of the exoplanet Kepler-186f. NASA's Kepler Space Telescope discovered Kepler-186f, the first Earth-sized planet located in the habitable zone. This discovery marks a significant milestone in the search for exoplanets capable of supporting life. Kepler-186f orbits the star Kepler-186, a red dwarf, about 500 light-years away from us. In the constellation, this planet lies in the Goldilocks zone, where liquid water could exist on the surface, an essential factor. Although it completes one orbit every 130 days and receives about one-third of the energy that Earth receives. Information about Kepler-186f's mass, composition, and atmosphere remains undetermined. This discovery opens up many opportunities for future space missions like TESS and the James Webb Space Telescope to search for more Earth-sized planets and study their atmospheres. Studying Kepler-186f also helps in understanding the diversity of planetary systems in the galaxy. However, being in the habitable zone does not guarantee that the planet can support life, as many other factors also need to be considered. Lakes and seas of methane on Titan. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, has attracted attention due to its unique hydrological system with lakes and seas formed from liquid methane and ethane. The Cassini spacecraft provided extensive data about Titan's surface from 2004 to 2017. Among these, the discovery of liquid bodies in 2007 was a significant milestone, making Titan the only world besides Earth with stable liquid on its surface. In the northern hemisphere, Titan has deep lakes primarily containing methane, while larger seas in the southern hemisphere contain a mixture of methane and ethane. The uneven distribution of lakes and seas suggests diverse terrain, with some lakes deeper than 300 feet, possibly formed through chemical dissolution of ice in organic rock. Interestingly, the presence of temporary lakes on Titan indicates the possible existence of a methane and ethane. Similar to Earth's water cycle, where cold temperatures cause water to exist as ice, while methane and ethane exist in liquid, solid, and gaseous states. Studying Titan's lakes and seas is not only exploratory but also helps in understanding the potential for life in extreme conditions. Although life as we know it cannot exist in methane lakes, complex organic chemistry could give rise to other forms of life. Future missions, such as NASA's Dragonfly mission in 2026, will help explore Titan further and may provide insights into the possibility of life beyond Earth. An overview of exoplanets around Earth holds great significance. What do you think of the information just presented? And if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to the Tuyat Matt channel so you don't miss out on interesting future. Thank you for watching the video until the end, and we look forward. See you again.